Did you know every photo you take has a hidden story? Yep, it's buried right there in the data.
This data, called metadata, is basically a digital fingerprint, and it can reveal a lot about you.
I'm talking camera model, the exact time of the shot, and even your precise GPS location.
So how does all this work? Well, let's break down the three main types of this hidden data.
You've got EXIF for camera settings, IPTC for stuff like copyright, and XMP for custom fields.
Now this is where it gets interesting. First, the good stuff. You can use this data as an SEO superpower.
Google actually reads this info, which can seriously boost your ranking in image searches.
And if you're selling online, good metadata helps customers find your products way easier.
Just how big of an impact are we talking? A whopping 650% more engagement. Seriously.
Okay, but here's the flip side. The privacy risk. What are you sharing without even realizing it?
Think about it. Your photos could be broadcasting your daily routine to, well, pretty much anyone.
So before you share anything online, you want to strip out sensitive data like this.
But here's the thing, and this is the good news. You are totally in control of all this.
It's actually a super simple 3-step process. You just need the right tools and you're good to go.
You can add those valuable SEO keywords while stripping out private details. It's the best of both worlds.
Just one warning though, don't delete everything. You got to keep the important copyright info in there. And speaking of what's next, AI is totally changing the game here.
There's a new standard that shows if AI made or just edited a photo. And yep, Google's reading it. So as your photos tell richer and richer stories, you have to ask yourself, who do I want reading them?
Your images carry more than pixels. They carry your brand, your location, your copyright. With Exif Injector, you inject the right metadata into every photo. Exif, IPTC, XMP. In bulk, in seconds. Whether you sell on Etsy, Shopify, or stock platforms, your images finally speak to search engines. Give life to your images. Visit exifinjector.com. Start free today.